Welcome to the New Future Resource Recovery Center. This state-of-the-art facility will offer sustainable waste management practices to reduce waste to landfill, reduce greenhouse gas emissions from waste transport, conserve natural resources, create jobs, and support a local circular economy. You will enter the facility via a new access road. The Extended Producer Responsibility, or EPR building, will have several functions. It will offer recycling for all available recycling programs that are funded by producers, similar to the Town Center Recycling Depot, but it will include expanded collections to create a one-stop drop. The EPR building will also have a free store and workshop space for upcycling, repair cafes, upcycled art shows, and education on waste diversion. The building material reuse structure will provide a small pilot project opportunity for a social enterprise to divert reusable building materials from the waste stream for resale. This will be an important aspect of the waste diversion efforts at this site, in particular for local reuse and creating a circular economy. The compost education and outdoor classroom area is a space for compost demonstration methods and workshops and available as a setting for other environmental learning opportunities. The Ocean Plastics Depot will divert shoreline marine debris from local residents, industry, and large cleanups. Materials will be sorted and sent to the Ocean Legacy Foundation for recycling. The Scale House has an inbound and outbound lane and 2 bypass lanes. The Scale attendant will direct traffic using a traffic light. The Scale House attendants are the gatekeepers for the site and will direct customers to drop-off locations. The education area is a place to bring school groups and visitors where they can observe and learn about past, current, and future practices. There will be upcycled items installed around the site that are made from waste materials found during the site closure, including metal sculptures, signage, a tire wall, bridges, workbenches, and furnishings. Trees that needed to be removed during the landfill closure were milled locally, and the wood is being used on-site as timbers in millwork for the kitchens and bathrooms. In addition, waste wood during construction is being diverted as much as possible, including collecting clean offcuts for One Light Fire Starters, a local social enterprise. The transfer station follows a circular site design to offer diversion opportunities for reuse ahead of recycling and disposal. The site starts with a covered structure to set aside materials for reuse, then bunkers for materials like tires, metal, clean wood, and yard and garden materials, and bins for mixed construction and demolition materials in limited loads and small loads of household garbage. The commercial transfer station is a fully enclosed building with 2 bays, one for organics and one for garbage. The transfer station is for commercial vehicles and large residential loads. There will be approximately 8 acres of land adjoining the Resource Recovery Center site, which will be available for public amenity, including overflow parking for Willington Beach, an active transportation corridor, and gardens.